Welcome to my home studio where I make all the videos, like this one. If you need the keys to start an Airbus 330. First you need keys, of course. No. Now 10.4 million views. It's absolutely crazy, and it was meant as a joke, and it was hard to cut down to 1 minute because Instagram had a 1 minute time limit for videos. So that I had to cut it down. And many think that you can start an Airbus 330 in a minute, which of course is impossible because you need maybe 20-30 minutes at least, and lots of other people around it. A pushback tractor, people running the bridge and everything. Well, that was a very special story. Now I'm working on a flight from Beijing to Copenhagen, Scandinavian 996. That was recorded in 2014, and I haven't really used the material before. Hope you like it. It comes behind this introduction. I have lots of material from my SAS period. The videos I recorded maybe 5-6 years ago, they were used in SAS official channels, and they immediately went to the top of views, like on SS Facebook and Instagram. It has been an interesting year for me. I stopped flying passenger planes, but I've done so many other things. First I thought that I would have so much time left, but in some way I managed to fill it. Flying small planes, learning to drive a motorcycle, and also doing lecturing. And it's lecturing about how to get success in social media. I have a video describing that, and also about teamwork, because we are experts on teamwork when you fly big planes, because there's so many people around the plane and you really have to work together. And how you do it, it's pretty interesting. And of course, you get success if you work together with other people. I would like to thank you for following and subscribing and watching my videos. And I really hope that we together will have a great 2022 and getting rid of the pandemic sometime so we can travel a bit more. So I wish you and your family a happy new year 2022. Take care.
We are 996, heavy wind 300 degrees, 8 meters per second, runway 01 clear for takeoff.
Runway 01 clear for takeoff, Scanning 996.
Clear for takeoff, takeoff.
Takeoff.
Manual flex, SRS, runway.
Just set.
Center Air 9801, turbulence means 300 degrees, 8 meters per second, runway 01 clear to fly.
Rotate.
Runway 0 clear to land, engine 90.
Positive line.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Copy Navia 996, heading 030, contact departure 127.75, bye bye.
Heading 030, 12775, goodbye, Sky 996.
上升到155
上1500码时，国航1635。
凤凰1栋42联系到1235，再见。
12栋35，凤凰1栋42。
你好，departure Sky 996.
Gandhi Navia 996 Heavy Beijing ready contact, climb to maintain 1,500 meters.
Climb maintain 1,500 meters, Sky 996.
国航163上升到215。
上2001，国航1635。
1,500 meters blue.
Air condition, pack 1. Autopilot number 2.
Check. 1,500, 4,900, check.
国航1635上升到标准气压51。
上标准气压51，国航1635。
Outside 6 miles right of track.
Lufthansa 713, 6 miles right of track.
国航1658联系进界1206再见。
1206再见，国航1658。
Hello Beijing, Sky 996, climbing 5,400 meters.
Scandinavia 996 Beijing, climb maintain 7,200 meters.
Climb maintain 7,200 meters, Sky 996.
7,200 meters.
Lufthansa 713, confirm it's 6 miles right of track. From Lufthansa 713, 6 miles right of track. Roger.
Clear ground, Sky 996.
Clear to land. 2658, Alpha crossing 040, hold short to
1,000.
Stand by.
Alpha, cross 30,
Check.
and Foxtrot short to Scandinavian 2658.
Thank you. For further, 121625. Bye.
12165, bye-bye.
Contact. Check.
500.
Stand by.
Hundred above.
We're going to have a 998 heavy established 04. 995, continue route.
Minimum. $50, 30, 20, retard, 10.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Descent. knots.
Your 996 VK left Alpha, cross 30 Foxtrot, hold short Zulu.
Left Alpha, cross 30 Fox short Zulu, Scammy 996.
Cross 30, short Zulu.
Yes.